Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to close all running background apps on Samsung Galaxy A27. If you have buttons on the bottom of your screen, you need to click on the button with 3 lines. That will open recently opened applications. If you have this gesture bar on the bottom of your screen, you need to slide up and hold. That will open recent applications as well. You can close applications by sliding them up, or if you want to close all at once, you can click on Close All. That will close all running apps in the background. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.